Guys, welcome back to Your Spoonful. My name is Evald, and today we'll be making takeaway lunches. I'll be using the following ingredients. This week we'll be making two different lunches for a couple of days you can use. Both include chicken, so we have 2 chicken breasts for that, some feta, some couscous, some peppers, called again, some parsley, chili, sun-dried tomatoes, and zucchini. Other recipe is going to be also with chicken, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, avocado, leek, and broccoli. So as you can see, a lot of vegetables going on here, which is pretty good for your diet. So let's get into it. I'm going to try to make this recipe as streamlined as easy as possible for you, so you can, like, for example, just do it on a Sunday night, just put it in your fridge, and then take them out ready for Monday, Tuesday. So first we're gonna start with marinating the chicken. So we're gonna first chop them in pieces, chop them there, some olive oil there, gonna put some bit of jalapeno, some paprika there, salt and pepper. And then guys, go with your hands to start mixing it. Next up, we're gonna start making the couscous, and that's quite easy. So first of all, we're gonna help it make it more flavorful. So we're gonna chop some stalks of the parsley and some chili. Then we're gonna take the couscous, drop it in a heat-proof bowl, and it has to be heat-proof because we're gonna put boiling water there. Ratio-wise, you have to go roughly 1 part couscous and 1 and a bit more. You can go with half more of water. So I have this little bowl here, so this amount of couscous plus almost full amount of water should be fine for this. Some salt, stir it, pour it in cling film and put it away for 10 minutes. Or it depends how long your couscous has to cook. Mix it a bit, so everything is well combined. Cover with the cling film so the vapor stays inside. And leave it aside for 10 minutes. Let's start chopping everything else. For pepper, usually what I like to do is just to press this thing down, the stem, and then rip it apart. Oh, wow, hello. Look at that, we have a baby pepper, yay! Okay, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do with you now. Okay. So if you want, you can finish the whole pepper, if you like the peppers, or you can just, let's screw it, we'll do the whole pepper. Great. Put it aside for now. Great. Second part of veggies, so potatoes, I would recommend to keep the skins on, because that's where the good stuff is. And let's watch that. What we're gonna do now is to slice them in discs, so we can fry them. Don't cut them too thick, because they're gonna cook longer. So cut them roughly this size, I would say. And the second one, here we go. Our things we're gonna cook as well here is leek. So when it comes to leeks, usually they always come with some dirt. So I would recommend you to slice it and then quickly rinse it in the running water, cold water. If you want to go for the whole broccoli, please go ahead, but I think that's a bit too much for my just lunch one. I'm gonna go maybe for 1/3 of it. By the way, little trick, if you're cooking a lot and you have a lot of things to discard, a little bowl for trash is very useful. It just saves you a lot of time going back and forth between the trash. Back to cooking. Okay, so avocados and tomatoes are going to be one of the things that we're not going to cook, so this we're going to cut in the end. So let's start frying stuff now. So the chicken has been done now, just right here. So you can see you need this kind of get sort of like a caramelized color there. That's what we want. Don't forget to leave it to rest now. And don't cut straight into it, because if you cut into it, you're gonna let all the juice out, which is gonna end up in a dry chicken, especially when you're gonna reheat it in the microwave. We don't want that. So leave it to rest properly. Now that's done, let's get to cooking other vegetables, including sweet potatoes. Let's get to those. Okay guys, I'm the lunch I made the day before. I'm going to work now. So I did hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please click on the like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future as well. I've been quiet because I don't want to wake my flatmates as well. So see you next week guys. Bye.